Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 8th standard. Today I will discuss about that India physical features, that is one part, the coastal plains. So this is long chapter, that's why I have divided into some parts. So this is this part I will discuss about the coastal plains. Coastal plains means these areas are the coastal plains. They are found both the sides of the peninsular plateau. To the eastern side there is Eastern Ghat, and that Eastern Ghat lies in the eastern coastal plain. Western side same way Western Ghat, and Western Ghat lies in the western coastal plain. The northern plateau is flanked by narrow coastal strips on both the sides. The coastal strip that lies along the Arabian Sea, this is, you see, this side, western side, there is Arabian Sea. So this Arabian Sea, this side is known as western coastal plain, and wherever the Bay of Bengal is there, this Bay of Bengal, this part is known as eastern side, is known as eastern coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain stretch from Tamil Nadu in the south to the West Bengal, from here to West Bengal, and western coastal plain that is stretches from Gujarat, from here Gujarat to Kerala, up to this. Now let's see what is the difference between eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. First, I will say about eastern coastal plain. Eastern coastal plain stretches from, this is Sundarban Delta, this one, you see, this part is Sundarban Delta. From Sundarban Delta up to, it stretches up to Kanyakumari. And other side, western coastal plain from Rann of Kutch, here you have seen, that is Gulf of Khambhat, Gulf of Kutch, and this is Rann of Kutch. From Rann of Kutch stretches to Kanyakumari. This is eastern side, this is western side, eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. Then eastern coastal plains width varies from 32 km to 200 km, whereas western coastal plains width varies from 10 km to 65 km. Number 3, we can say that is eastern coastal plain is wider as compared to western coastal plain, and western coastal plain is narrower strip. Number 4, we can say that is eastern coastal plain is divided into two parts, northern circus and circus, and that is the southern part is Coromandel. And western coastal plain is divided into three parts, that is Kathiawar coast, Konkan coast and Malabar coast. Three parts. Now next see what are the rivers flowing here. From eastern coastal plain there is Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. These rivers are flows, and here all the rivers, maximum all the rivers are whatever the plains they are forming, then they are, when they are flowing into the mouth in the Bay of Bengal, they are forming deltas. Deltas means Greek letter delta, just like this shape. Whenever they are forming that delta means like this, and whenever the mouth this is forming that this shape is delta shape. So whenever they are flowing into that Bay of Bengal, then that is forming delta. Which one? Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, this Mahanadi, whatever flowing into the eastern side, they are forming deltas. And western side, two rivers are flowing, that is Narmada and another one Tapi river. So Narmada, Tapi, Juari and Mandovi rivers are also flowing here, and these rivers not flowing means not making any deltas, and they are empty into estuaries, and they are forming their means not forming. This is the main difference, that they are forming deltas. These rivers are, eastern side rivers are forming deltas, western side rivers are do not make any deltas. So this is the difference between eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain, and this coastal plain I am finishing up to here. Hope that it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.